So I was actually down here earlier. Um, we've been trying to like grow stuff in our yard. One of the problems we had is this weeds. It's really nasty and really thick. And my wife and I are out here pulling up weeds and stuff. And man, it just, a message just started coming to me. Her mom is actually a gardener. She's like super advanced and everything. She lives in Montana. Shout out. If she's watching. I didn't really care for gardening growing up. I just grew up in the desert in California, but I don't know, things change when you get older. At least I think they should. And I wasn't paying attention too much about my mother-in-law gardening when we were to go visit, but she was always out there pulling weeds. She has an amazing garden. Well, she's a gardener. But I did pay attention somewhat. Most of it, other than like, spraying her plants and stuff like that, she would be out there pulling weeds. I always saw her pulling weeds. Well, here I am pulling weeds. And so in Nevada, the soil is a lot different. It's hard to grow things out here. It's so dry. But apparently, when it comes to weeds, they're everywhere. They're in Montana, even when it's, has a lot of rain and stuff. Still there. There's weeds. There's weeds here. We've had issues growing stuff because what the weeds do is they like to take all the nutrients and suffocate anything else you're trying to grow. A little knowledge that I've researched. And like I said, I had a message. I was talking to my wife about this earlier. It's hard to grow things when there's weeds. Isaac went to the back. He's like wandering. He's over on this side. It's hard to grow stuff when there's weeds, It's so prophetic. It's hard to grow things when there's weeds. Weeds are essentially like parasites. And if you don't know anything about parasites offer nothing to the economy. They just consume. They don't produce anything. They offer no beneficial anything whatsoever. Unfortunately, people can be like parasites as well. They offer nothing to society, right? And they just take, but offer nothing. They don't return any benefit or favor or anything whatsoever. They just take, just kind of like weeds. And unless you pull the weeds out, Jesus talks about weeds. He says, unless you pull the weeds out, right? Or you pull the weeds when they grow together with the wheat. But my interpretation, unless you pull the weeds out, it's going to be hard to grow anything. If you're trying to build something, you're going to have to get rid of the weeds. Like I said, my mother-in-law, she'd always be out there just pulling weeds because she knew that the weeds would suffocate and suck all the resources out that she was, putting in her garden. Like I said, she has a beautiful garden because I think one of the things that she does the most is pull weeds. Pulls out anything that will suffocate or take all the nutrients of whatever she's trying to grow. And so it just, like I said, is so prophetic. If we're ever whatever you're trying to grow, whether it's gardening, trying to grow stuff like us, or mother-in-law, or whether you're trying to grow a business, whether you're trying to grow a ministry, whether you're trying to grow a family, right? You're going to have to remove the weeds. Otherwise, those weeds, maybe even people, will suffocate the good in your life. Now, it's hard because we want to be nice to everybody, and we should try to be, but in my own personal experience, me and my wife were talking, like, some people, they're like weeds. They just suck everything good out of you, and they offer nothing in return. Like, nothing. Not sometimes, I mean, like, nothing. Nothing beneficial. So sometimes you just have to, hey bud, remove the weeds.